I will be very happy. You can take the project of animation. Okay. Now here we are talking about the state 1 and state 2. So energy level 1, which is shown by black here, whereas energy level 2, right now it is red. And this is the lamp that we are giving some energy from outside. So this is normal system. It has nothing to do with laser at this moment. Okay, there is no lasing system right now. So if we increase the lamp uh, the input, okay, so we are giving more and more energy to these photons, sorry, electrons. And the electrons are jumping up, down, up, down, so that when it goes up, it absorbs the energy. Okay. There are some photons which are going in different direction also, right? So they will be lost. But if the electron takes the photon, it goes to level 2, it comes back, and when it comes back, we are getting some light. Okay. So whatever you are seeing, this double double, that is the light. Okay. Still, we are not in laser. Okay. Now, if the energy level is different, you can see here. Okay, the energy level is different. Now, the energy that we are providing is less as compared to this. If this energy reaches to this position, then only there will be absorption. Okay. So in Marathi there is saying "खाईल तर तुपाशी नाही तर उपाशी." Okay. So either you give me the complete energy, whatever I want, otherwise I will not take. Okay. So here I will change. You can see here just below the lamp control, you can see the frequency. Okay. So I Sorry, there was some power failure, so I got disconnected. Okay. Let me once again share this window laser. Now this is reset. So if we increase this level, suppose now I have made it green. That means if we calculate the energy level difference, then it will be a green color. Okay? Green color light will come out. Okay? So we have the absorption process and then we have the emission process. So the absorption will take place only if we have this green color. You can see the energy now in green color. Now the green color photons will be absorbed and the electron will jump from lower orbit to higher orbit and it will come down. Okay. When it comes down, it will give a light. Okay. Okay. So have you understood this? Please unmute yourself and tell me because it was quite
Yes, sir.
disturbing. We jump from YouTube to now the Google Meet. But I hope that you are getting this idea, and because of this animation, it's very beautiful animation. I will just put the link in group so that you can see it on PC. Not probably not on mobile. I'm not sure, but mostly it is not possible on mobile. Now this is for one atom. Okay. Now how about multiple atoms? Now you can see this. There are large number of atoms or the electrons at the ground. Now here we talk about uh, the electron or atom. It is one and the same. Now here, if we start the lamp, so we give the energy from upper side now. Okay, so we increase the energy. Okay. If you want to see the photons, you can see the photons. Okay. Now you can see the situation where we are giving more energy, okay, than the required. Okay. So required is this much only. It is in between one and two. And as I told you previously, it is something like either I will take this much or I will not take anything, even if it is less or more. Okay. So even if we are giving more energy, it is not taking. So let me change the frequency. Now you can see here the wavelength or the energy difference is changing. The frequency is changing. Wavelength. So now it is green and then yellow and then red. Once it becomes exactly same as that of the difference, then we can see that the electrons are jumping up and coming down, jumping up and coming down. You can see here the states are changing from 1 to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 1. So this is simply two-step process. One is absorption, the other one is emission. Right? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any question? No question? No question means you have understood everything or nothing. Okay. Tejas is saying no question, no doubt. Okay. Let us move forward then. And we'll take 5 minutes more. So basically, what we have understood up till now is there is only two-step process. Okay. Now, let me go to my whiteboard again so that I can explain you shortly what we have understood. So let me share. Now the whiteboard, sorry, blackboard, not whiteboard. So we have the two level energy level, and there are some electrons here or the atoms here, and then when we give the energy, then this electron jumps to higher orbit. This is E2 and this is E1. Okay. After some time is the lifetime. What is the lifetime? For example, if the electron is here instead E2, then we don't need any photon to take this electron down. Okay. For example, if you go to swimming pool, so this is swimming pool, okay, and there is some ramp here. Sorry, the diagram is not quite good, but there is a ramp. Okay. So you can go up by steps, and once you reach here, you will take some time, and that time will depend on uh, whether you are expert or you are novice. ठीक है? अगर आप expert है तो क्या करेंगे? Once as soon as you reach to this level, you will jump into the swimming pool. So you will stay here for very short time. लेकिन अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम या सेकंड टाइम स्विमिंग कर रहे हैं, जंप कर रहे हैं, तो आप ज्यादा टाइम लेंगे. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, it depends on the energy level. So some energy levels have this lifetime. This is denoted by delta T, which is quite large. Okay, say about 1 millisecond. And for some, it is quite short. Normally, it is 1 nanosecond. Okay. 1 millisecond is almost 1,000 times greater. Okay. So if it is staying for say 1 nanosecond, after that time, it will come down. Once it comes down, it will give the photon. And that photon will have the energy h nu equal to E2 minus E1. Here also, whatever the energy we are giving is E2 minus E1. Now, what is the meaning in giving the same energy and taking the same energy, right? So that is what it is happening in normal light. Now, this energy, whatever the input energy you are giving here for the absorption, okay. So, for example, in LED, case of LED, you are giving the electric energy, okay? Electric energy. So you are giving the electric power, and then you are getting the light power. This is light. This is light. In case of tungsten lamp, tungsten wolfram, okay. So that is heat. So you hit the element, and then you get light. Okay. So that way you can convert this energy from one form to the other form. So I hope you have got this idea of how you get the light. Now next time we'll see how we get the lasing system. But before that, I want you to switch on your mic and we'll just the attendance. Okay. So let me stop presentation and I can see. Okay. Let me go for another. I think it is better. Don't go away so that I can just put your attendance. Prasanna. Okay. Okay, today is 24. Mechanical. Kritika Vasankar. Is she here? Kritika. No. Then Ayush Amle.
Present, sir.
Okay. Ayush Avsat. Then Vedant Bamnote. Vaibhav Bhute. Atul Chaudhary. Vedanti Chimurkar. Karan Devade.
Present, sir.
and Rushabh Dole,
Present, sir.
Parth Dubey,
Present, sir.
Vedant Duratkar, Prasad Phadtare, Swarup Patwar,
Present, sir.
okay, Aditi Kamble, Nimish Katkamwar, Abhi Kumbare,
Present, sir.
Sunil Manish Lake.
Present, sir.
Okay. Both are present, Abhi and Manish. And then Yash Mankar,
Present, sir.
Parth Mate,
Present, sir.
Ajay Nanne, Roshan Nidekar,
Present, sir.
Yash Nikhade,
Present, sir.
then we have Samir Pavankar,
Present, sir.
Aryan Pimpalkar, Prasad Kubde, okay, Parth. Then Rajat Yadav, Ranit, Tejas Rani,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
okay. Om Raut,
Present, sir.
Om Raut is there?
Present.
Okay, okay. You just put your pictures on this Google account. Okay. Ketan Surushe, Prathamesh Tale,
Present, sir.
he was waiting for from long time. And Palash Wagmare, Tejas Wagmare, Shesh Narayan,
Present, sir.
Pratik Jade, Vaishnavi Jade, Harshal Nagpure,
Present, sir.
Harshal is there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Rishikesh Shade
Present, sir.
and Pawan Timade.
Present, sir.
Okay. Okay, then see you tomorrow. Uh, what time I don't know. And if you have any question, just put it in chat or in the Telegram group.